myself Shiny. Today I am going to explain on the topic combustion and flame. We are using different types of fuels in our home. What are the different types of fuels? We know that commonly we are using wood, charcoal, LPG, CNG, petrol, diesel, etc. Then, what is mean by combustion? In our chapter, first topic is combustion. What is mean by combustion? A chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. A chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. For example, we have to take fix a lighted candle. Okay, we have to fix a lighted candle. 3 candles we are using. Okay, first one, downside we are using one small stick or a small wood we are using. When it is a lighted candle, then above that we are keeping one glass. Then here downside is already off. Then what happens? It will produce or not? Yes, of course it will produce flame. Why? Here is air is passing with the presence of oxygen, it will produce flame. Then second case, we are using that the same only lighted candle we are keeping. Above that this is candle, above that we are keeping one glass. Then what happened? Then it can't produce that flame. Okay? Only few seconds. Then after that what happened? It will, already we are keeping like this means it cannot produce flame. That means there is no oxygen, there is no presence. Okay? Then third case, we are using this candle. After that, upside, this is candle, upside one side is open. Okay? Then this, like this we are keeping, upside it is open. After few minutes, we are keeping this one cup. After few minutes, we are keeping one cup. Then first it will, with the help of oxygen, it will burn. Then after that we are keeping this cover means it cannot burn properly. Okay? Then it will, that we can see that it is just producing that smoke. Okay? This is the example of combustion process. A chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen. One thing we understood, in combustion process, oxygen is compulsory. That means burning, we are keeping anything for burning process, oxygen is compulsory. Oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. Then next one, we know that matchstick, we are keeping matchbox, we are just touching, that time it will produce fire. But in case of wood, in case of that other case, it is not a touching, it is just touching that fire, it cannot produce that flame. Why it is? That is another topic, that is ignition temperature. Ignition temperature means the lowest temperature at which a substance fire is its ignition temperature. That means lowest temperature. Different substance, that means matchstick, we know that ignition temperature is very less. Another example, that means alcohol, petrol, diesel, we are keeping ignition temperature is very less. But in case of wood, ignition temperature is more. Next topic is different types of flame. We have seen a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat is called the combustion. The substance that undergoes combustion, it is said to be combustible substance. Combustible substance. A substance that undergoes substance that undergoes combustion. Okay, that is, it is said to be combustible substance. Combustible substance. It is also known as flame. It is also known as flame. Different types of, next is different types of combustion. First one is rapid combustion. Second is spontaneous combustion. Third one is explosion. For example, first one is rapid combustion. For example, we are using that a gas stove we are using. Within second it will produce heat and light. That is rapid combustion. Second one is spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous means that is within second. Okay, for example, I have written one example here. Phosphorus burn in air at room temperature. Phosphorus burn in air at a room temperature. That means in room temperature with the presence of oxygen, this phosphorus it will burn. That means there is no cause. If you are in gas stove, we are using that. Okay, something matchstick also we are making that. We are rub with that matchbox. That time only it is producing fire. But here no cause, nothing we are not using anything, but it will produce fire. Okay, that is second one is spontaneous combustion. Third one is explosion. Explosion means it is producing light, sound, heat, everything. It is producing light, heat, sound. For example, we are using that crackers we are using. That time it will, sometime it will produce heat, then light, then energy, everything. That is third one is explosion. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss on the topic flame.